Hi, I'm Sid. I'm founder and CEO of the Toasters. Actually, I'm a newbie baker still. I started sourdough baking about 5 years ago. I realized how hard it is to prepare and predict the sourdough starter's activation routine. So I end up just develop this revolutionary device. A smart fermentation device called SourFriend, and I'm here to show you how our prototype went to the journey and at last made it. So today is our second demo video, and here's our first video, I guess, here, somewhere here. Today we are going to show you how our prototype looks like, and how it looks like changes the perfection of the fermentation. So this is our prototype 1 I showed you. You can see the transparently what's happening inside. In here you can see there's a chamber which was made by the steel. It helps here the warm or the cool part to get inside the starter. And our prototype 2 is here. It's quite different, and it's more look like to SourFriend, which one we showed you in the Kickstarter, right? And you can see as it looks same inside, there's a chamber which was sealed by the aluminum inside, and yeah, that's all. But here's our starter jack as usual. We prepared the both of them to 1:1 ratio. Water 1, flour 1, and starter 1. And both of them are the same temperature inside here. It's about 22 Celsius degree, here to 23. It's almost similar. What I'm going to test today is what happens next when it gets into each of the prototype. Here is larger chamber is here, but it doesn't touch us much, right? And here, if you put this one inside here, I know it's hard to see inside, but it helps to contain the starter in the same temperature, I guess. So I'll put these things in the same 27 or 28 degree and see what happens, okay? As usual, we will put 28 degree here today and see what happened in 4.5 hours at last, right? 28 degree, 4.5 hours. Just get rid of the other thing. Okay, we can just get rid of it. We are not going to do anything here, right? That's it. And here too, we will put settings. Go up, no, down, up. Same, right? 28 degree to 4 hours. And right, seconds. So we'll start. No. Yeah. So run. Yeah, it started right here. You can see the status here inside is 21. Right, 22. As you can see here, with the all aluminum panel touched inside, you can more directly see what temperature is. But with this one, let's start this one too. Here we targeted 28 degree too, but here they says it's 26 degree Celsius. But actually, how warm it is still 22. What happens here is it calculates better with, how can I say, closer sensor inside. With this one, even though it's bigger, it's bigger, it doesn't touch the sensor directly. And still, which means it calculates only the chamber's the temperature. Beside this one, do the other things, right? But it's only 1 minute right, later. So let's see what happens to inside the starter next. We can go to time lapse with that one, right? See you soon. Boom. So 4.5 hours passed already. So let me show you the outcomes. So as you can see, only 4.5 hours seems a bit not enough. So I guess it's like 40% rise, which means we need more time to get fermentation done. But for this one, let's see. Actually, I'm quite nervous what happened here. Ooh la la! I'll put here. This is the identical sourdough starter that we use, Jack. And we put the settings with the same Celsius, 28 Celsius. But the outcomes you can see, ever since we changed our chamber style, this correctly fermented as we wanted. This is almost like 200% raised, and this one didn't. So that's why we changed our chamber style. And later on, we can talk about more why this prototype is much better.